I had such a fun day today. Guys, I want to give a quick shout out to Steve Danger. Dude, today you absolutely came first, man. I had a blast, and it was very fun. But I got to talking to some of the people there. I had seen a guy that I hadn't seen since college. Not sure I'd ever see him again. Max, shout out to you right now as well. And we got to talking, right? Lo and behold, guess what stock he had in his portfolio? Yes, you guessed it. AMC stock was in his portfolio, but here comes the but he's a day trader. He's a swing trader. He wasn't holding it for the long term. And it got me to thinking, right? And I understand why he couldn't do it. The volatility just wasn't there. It didn't match up with his investment style, with his investment strategy, and he wasn't able to hold on to it. So I was thinking, let's discuss the pros and cons to day trading and holding, not just stocks in general, but specifically AMC stock. Because this opportunity that you guys have in AMC right now is absolutely a buy and hold play. So of course, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. All right, so as I was sitting there talking to Max, and we were going back and forth about AMC and everything that was happening with the stock market and with this stock in general, it came up, okay? And I understand, guys. I completely understand. If this play does not match your investment strategy, who's to say? Who's to say that that is a bad thing that you have to get out of AMC and so on? Now, he admitted that he's not out there day trading AMC, that he did have it in his portfolio. It was too volatile for him, and he could not continue to hold it. He didn't get in back in January, February, when he was able to get in at a very low price, and, it just didn't fit. It didn't suit his investment needs at this point where he's able to keep it and hold it long term. I understand that, right? So I want to talk a little bit about the pros and cons to day trading versus long-term investing in general and relate it back to AMC stock. Because I notice a lot of people, especially people in the YouTube world and online, glorifying day trading. Guys, there's nothing as risky in the stock market as day trading. Okay, and I've got this analogy that I like to use. It's like switching lanes. Okay, when you go and you buy a stock with the intention of either day trading it or swing trading it on a very short time frame, you simply increase the risk. Okay, you increase the risk of getting into multiple positions, and think of it like switching lanes. Okay, if you're a day trader, you're zooming in and out. You're not just in the left lane, just ripping past all the traffic. You're zooming in and out of traffic. You're making trades. You're playing to the upside. You're playing to the downside. You're in multiple times a day. You're looking at different moving average indicators. You're looking at the RSI. You're looking at the volume. You're looking at all these different things. And yes, sure, we all know if you're driving to the same destination that I am, and you're ripping in and out of traffic, switching lanes, you may be able to get there a little quicker. You may be able to get there, right? You always run the risk of something happening that every time you switch lanes. Now, we both know that we're going to the same spot, and I'm just cruising along in the right-hand lane. I've got nothing to worry about. I'm not looking over my shoulder to see if anything's going to happen or if anything's going on. We've both got the same exact goal. I'm just taking a slower, more steady approach there, and you're taking a risker, potentially quicker and more exhilarating approach to that final destination. Well, here's the difference when it comes to AMC. That's a great analogy when you're talking about the stock market in general or trading in general, but when you relate it to AMC, and this is what a lot of people miss when they're talking about day trading, swing trading AMC, and taking advantage of that volatility. We're not going to the same destination. When I've got AMC stock in my portfolio and I'm diamond handing holding that stock till the absolute end when the hedge fund cover their short positions and you're day trading it, the best you're going to do, you're going to capture a couple percent here, you're going to capture a couple percent there. Excellent, right? You're going to do well by your accord. If I've got AMC and I'm holding it for a short squeeze, when I know that the shorts must cover at a certain point in time, and I've got that blank check where I decide the price on how high AMC will go before I'm willing to sell it. AMC is not a typical stock. AMC is not a typical investment. AMC is not some fundamental play where I know over time AMC is going to grow steadily in price. AMC is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for the mother of all short squeezes to finally happen. Now, when that day comes, the day traders, they're going to hit their 10% profit target. They're going to hit their 2 to 5% profit target, and they're going to get out of the position. And they're going to be afraid to get back in because now it's too expensive. I'm sitting here, I'm holding until the shorts cover, right? Until we know that the shorts are finally covering their positions. I'm not waiting till after they cover their positions because then it's too late and who's buying at that point. I am waiting until the shorts start to cover their positions. We've got the FOMO jumping in. We've got the retail investors going crazy. Everything is absolutely happening and that stock rips. Now, I'm not going to get into all the different price targets that people think it's going to rip to. It will certainly rip higher than things like SPRT and Clove and all of these stocks that people like to call distractions, okay? And I have no problem with you day trading or swing trading these distractions. I know a lot of people think that you need to be 100% invested into AMC. I'm not one of those people. I'm still okay if you're making profits on other plays and you want to bring those into AMC, excellent. If you don't, whatever you have invested into AMC should be what you're willing to hold in AMC for the short squeeze, because it is so much different than that analogy where we're both going to the same place. With the AMC stock short squeeze, there is no limit. There is no top. We decide when we're going to sell AMC stock, and that becomes the limit. When you've got another stock that doesn't have guaranteed demand out there, all of these stocks that people regularly day trade, if the price goes too high, nobody's going to buy them. AMC has a guaranteed buyer in the short shares, so it doesn't matter if it goes to 100, 500, 1,000, 5,000, and so on and so forth. As high as you can believe, there will be a guaranteed buyer as long as the short shares have not been covered. So who determines the top? You and I determine the top. The people holding, the apes, the bros, whatever you call yourself at this point, we determine the top of AMC. And that is the main difference between day trading and diamond handing AMC for the mother of all short squeezes. Now, guys, I want to know down in the comments below right now if you have encountered anybody that you didn't think was holding AMC, but lo and behold, they are absolutely holding AMC. And yes, they are on for the short squeeze. They are ready to go. They are ready to watch the mother of all short squeezes take place. Let us know down there. Inspire the rest of us to continue holding the stock and just be better investors in general, because guess what, guys? Post-squeeze, it doesn't end here. Post-squeeze, we will absolutely continue to make as much money as possible in the stock market. Now, if this red button right here is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Webull, if you want to open an account, if a brokerage account is what you want, and you currently don't have one, it is an excellent place to do so. Super simple to use, super simple to set up. $100 is all it takes to deposit, get a couple free stocks, sell those stocks, keep those stocks, whatever you want to do, they are yours. And ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram if you want to follow me there. And I'm pretty sure that sums it up, guys. So until the next time, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.